Welcome back to my Facebook page. It's your girl Peculiar Beauty. So guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make this TikTok trendy hairstyle, yes, on my manicure. Okay, so in this video I'll be using my dummy to do this tutorial for you all. Okay, so I'll be wanting to try this hairstyle, but I do not have someone that I'm going to try it on, so I decided to use my dummy to show you guys how you can do this. Okay, you can also do this for your baby, your anybody. Like, you can do this hairstyle for anyone. You can do it for yourself. Like, the hairstyle is so fine, it's so beautiful, like you will love it. Make sure you're watching this video to the end to see how I finish it. Okay, so guys, please do not forget to share this video, follow this page if you have not done so. Okay, so this is my expression pack that I just finished dragging, and it's one expression that I will be using for this tutorial. Stay tuned. Okay, see how I'm going to achieve this look. So I'll using my dummy to show you guys how you can do, or you are out there, you are that kind of person that does not know how to braid and you don't know how you are going to start from. You can also get this manicure on Amazon, on AliExpress. Yes, they sell it on Amazon, they sell it on AliExpress. Okay, so guys, that's just it. I was just trying to braid the Bob Marley, like the knuckles. I'll just braid the knuckles down, then I'll show you guys. But first of all, I'll braid the knuckles. I will not be taking too much of your time. Please share this video. Okay, share this video for me, like and share. Okay, like this video. Okay, more like we give this video engagement and all that. Okay, so guys, that's just it. Enjoy the rest of this video. Okay, I'll be right back. This is the particular place you need to pay attention. Okay, so you need to pay attention to this particular place. It's not how you coil your normal hair. Okay, so this one is a bit different. Yeah, it's different. For you to get that kind of coils is a bit different. Watch this video. Is not hard at all. It's very simple. Like, when you see, you say, this thing might be difficult. No, it's not difficult. This is just how this thing looks. Very simple. But if you don't have the idea to do this thing, you will end up doing it the normal way, like twisting it on top of the rollers. Okay, so you can also use your normal rollers that you normally use to roll your hair in the salon. Okay, you can also use that if you have that available, if you do not have this one. Okay, so it's just for you to roll it. Make sure before you are rolling this thing, you must have brushed this braid, like the remaining part of the braid that you are coiling. You must have brushed it, like brush it very well. You know, this kind of hair at the tip expression, there will be hair like the one that is very rough on the down. You need to brush it, like make it to be very smooth. So the other of my rollers was not enough. Yeah, so I used the other smaller parts. But do not worry, even if you also have the other smaller part, it will still come out the same. Yeah, it will come out the same. It will come out the same way. So this is my hot water is ready. You know, if you want to do this kind of hair on yourself or for someone, the hot water must be very, very hot. Yes, that's another thing you need to know. The hot water must be very, very, very hot. So this is me just trying to make sure that the hot water entered the hair, and because if it did not enter the hair, it will not coil. Okay, so guys, this is me. I'm putting my spraying gum, like this is the one normally one you use for your frontal. So this like the next day, because now there is no sun anymore, so I just left it on this table here, as you can see. So it was the next morning I removed it. Okay, so this is what it looks like, guys. This is so beautiful. Imagine this is in your head now, like when you are watching this video, like this is really, really beautiful. Like I'll be seeing this is a trendy TikTok quiz. Like I'll be seeing it all over social media, so I decided to give you guys a tutorial. I know most of you have not seen this hairstyle, or you have seen it but you don't know how they achieve it. So this is me just trying to lose it, but when you are doing this, you must be very, very careful so that you will not rough it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.